Hello, I just come here again. We already produced this assembly drawing, but what remaining is here with the bill of material. So I'm going to show you how to insert the bill of material here. So here on this one, let's go to the working view here. So as you can see from here, this is a working view. I think let me put them all this. Yeah, there's a lot of things here. Let me them put together, I mean in order. So here what you can see is this is the, the view. So you have the I just reduce it like this, the from view, the sectional view, and then this I mean this 3D model, or the axonometric view is isometric view is enough. So this is, yeah. So next what I'm going to do is as you can see here, I'm going to do the bill of materials. So in order to do that, as I have said, you need to go to this assembly model. So in this assembly model, I say that on this the assembly product structure, there is generate numbers. So for the numbering of each part, so we need to just say this one numbers, not like just ABCD. So we just say okay. On the other hand, on this analysis, we need to design our bill of material. So here is an analysis bill of material here. So you can see this is bill of material. So you may have number, part number, part name. You can call it part name, quantity, product specifications. You can have this. You can edit it. So whatever naming or property you need to click, and then you can put it inside. So if you click here, so you just click and then it will go inside, you see. So revision, so we don't need revision, so I just take it out. So I only need this part: number, part number, quantity, product description, if you have any description to describe about it. Okay, so I just say okay. So with this one I will create the bill of material. So just okay. So in order to create the bill of material, I think you need to go to to the part drawing of the assembly. Just so here what you do is you just go insert, and from this generate. I think first you need to generate the balloon, the naming, the numbers. So here the balloon is generated on the section view, as you can see. So you can just edit it, right? So maybe you can put it is it here, right? So yeah, so the balloon, the balloon means the numbers. So this one is base, the base, and as you can see, this one is what is this, the bracket, the shaft, and all this you can see. All right, so having this, after having this, we need to generate the bill of material. So insert, as I have said, we have generate. So we need to generate bill of materials. As you can see, this is a bill of materials. So we just click here. So here in the bill of material, as you can see here, so this is the bill of material here. So in this bill of material, you just, if you double click here, you can edit. Instead of this part number, you can part name, maybe maybe you can, yeah, and if you look for the description, for example, for the base, you can just describe it, maybe the size, maybe like for example 85 by the overall size, 85 by 100. Maybe another description is made up of steel. If this is a steel, you can just describe it, okay, if you have some description. So you can, maybe you can extend it. You see, you can, if it is, yeah, if it is like, yeah, part name, yeah, you can extend it as I have said. Yeah, you can have it like this. So you can edit, you can do whatever. So what is the parts list is that. So number one is, as you can see, number one is base, number two is, yeah, the bracket, how quantity is to, pushing is to, and so on. So by having this, you can have more of this, more of this. If you want to add other views, you can have, all right? So in my case, yeah, maybe this is enough, I think. If you have the other view, maybe if you still are interested to have, okay, oh, what is this? This is a front view. So if you want to have multi-view projection, oh, this one is yes, yeah. If you want to have only this one, I think, yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't need any projection, of course. So yeah, this all is enough. If you need other views, actually, you can add auxiliary views. If you have some auxiliary views you want to see, just at an angle or some incline, you can work on that. Otherwise, that's all for this. So you have a bill of materials. So finally, this is an assembly. This is assembly model. So what you do is you really need to, actually this one, the bill of material, you need to adjust it. So roller guide assembly, this is a roller guide assembly. Maybe, so what you do is you go to edit, as I said, and you can edit the bill, so here I think you need to put it like this, right? Roller guide assembly. So this one is one of the first, so this one is the first, I think, yeah, one of maybe six. If you have six documents, so you need this one of six. So you need to write your name and all this here. This is all. Okay, so now you can produce the assembly drawing. You can create, right? Assembly drawing, part drawing. So you need to print all this assembly drawing, and then at the back of this, the first part drawing, the second part drawing, all with their isometric view, or the 3D solid model view, as you can see here. You need to produce. Okay, so with this, I hope you can do your exercise, your projects, and so on. So thank you very much.